Just as the sun can cast shadows, there are aspects of the solar industry where things aren't always as bright as they seem. Some entities might dazzle you with promises of unmatched efficiency or unbeatable returns, only to leave you in the dark about hidden charges or exaggerated benefits. And while the lure of special grants or discounts might seem tempting, it's critical to discern fact from fiction. Hi, hello there. I'm Sinue with DroneQuote, and welcome back to our Buyer's Guide series where we empower you with the right knowledge for your solar journey. After laying down the solar basics in our previous segment, today we'll focus on essential things you should be vigilant about, ensuring you get the most out of your solar system. If you'd like to kick things off from the start of the series, click up top for the whole playlist. Now let's proceed with the things you need to look out for in choosing the right solar company. While solar panels can significantly reduce your electricity bill, the savings depend on various factors such as location, energy usage, and system size. The amount of electricity a system produces relative to your usage is known as the offset percentage. And this is a very important metric. If you produce enough power from your panels, you buy less from the utility and you start to realize the savings solar is known for. However, a sly salesperson can inflate the output or misrepresent the offset percentage, leading you to believe you're going to save more than you may actually save. This is something big to look out for. A reputable solar installer should provide realistic estimates based on your specific circumstances. If one quote stands out significantly compared to others regarding savings, system size, or electricity output, all of which are relative to one another, that's a red flag. Just because you produce all your electricity doesn't mean you'll save as much as you'd like. Solar savings are subject to changes, weather conditions, and other factors beyond your control. Any company that guarantees too much when so little is in their control should raise a red flag in your mind. Some companies advertise free solar systems, but they actually hide the cost in the details of the contract. Unfortunately, this is one of the more common tactics in this industry, where a customer is told they'll get their solars free of charge because of some government program or some other BS. While there are few, very few, free solar programs, most of those claims are bogus. If anyone is telling you that any of this is free, that's a big red flag. Now, it should be clear that there is a federal tax incentive for solar, but be cautious of companies that claim you're automatically eligible for certain grants, incentives, or tax refunds without properly assessing your eligibility. Government incentives and tax credits often have specific requirements, and not everyone qualifies for the programs. Let me shift gears here and ask you a very specific question. If you're on the first date with a new romantic interest, how would you feel if on the first date they proposed to you? Regardless of their looks, would you be inclined to say yes? I'll bet you there's a slim chance you'd dive right into it without first getting to know them better, unless you were in the Army or the Marines. Well, that's exactly what a lot of companies strive for, the one call close. Or in other words, they hope to get you to buy before they leave. If that's not a red flag, I don't know what is, because solar is a 25-year commitment in the longevity of the warranties and even the finance terms if you don't pay cash. So don't let anyone rush you into a sale. Instead, understand what you're getting into so you can make a sound buying decision. Finally, ensure that the solar company you choose has the necessary licenses, certifications, and credentials to install solar systems. Working with reputable and qualified installers reduces the risk of subpar installations and potential issues. Now, finding the information behind the company can sometimes be tricky, so feel empowered to ask for all of this information from your salesperson. If they can't point to their license number immediately, that's a red flag. DroneQuote does something about this by aggregating all the license and review information you need in one place so you know exactly who you're getting quotes from and can immediately verify their credentials. Making an informed solar decision means being aware of its brilliant benefits and the pitfalls that could cast a shadow on your experience. As always, remember that knowledge is your best defense against making a solar blunder. As you move through the buying process, you do have to make an effort not to get sold first. Along the way, people may try to pitch you and close you for their gain, and that's where this information comes in super handy. But when you do pull the trigger, our next chapter in the series will get you into the rights that you are entitled to as a solar consumer. So click here to learn more about your solar rights.